Hi everybody, Allison here. We've been getting a lot of questions about Magnet and students who are having challenges accessing the jobs available on the job board. And so I wanted to do this quick video to help you troubleshoot a few common problems. So the first thing I'd like you to do is, if you are going into the job search area and you're not finding the Centennial Internship Program job board here, that's a problem. And so this probably is a result of one button that you misselected during the enrollment process when you created your profile. In any case, the first thing you can do is go into your own profile and make sure that you have granted Magnet consent to share your information with our employer partners. So scroll down, and under this section called Affiliations, go into Edit by clicking the little pencil. And you need to make sure that your status is on. And when you click that, it will give you the option to consent to share your information with the Centennial Internship Job Board. And you need to click I consent. And make sure that your visibility is turned on. And then click Save. Once you do that, you should be able to access the Hospitality Internship Program job board. Now, sometimes there's a bit of a delay, so be patient, and if you don't see it immediately, try back again in a few hours. Okay. Now, if you see this, or if your affiliations are set up properly and you still don't see this, then one thing that you should be doing is logging out and making sure that you're going to the correct page. Okay, as a reminder, if you're seeing this big red M, you're not really in the right spot. So the first thing you need to do is log out, go back into your address bar, and make sure that you are typing in shtca.magnet.today. Now please make sure you don't type this in your Google search bar, or that you don't choose one of the pre-populated options from down here, because that will just keep taking you back to the wrong spot. Okay, so shtca.magnet.today, type out every single letter, and now when you log in, you should be seeing the internship program job board. Enter your email address, same one and same login information that you used previously. But now when you log in, you should be seeing Centennial College and the black rectangular logo here. Now, last thing to keep in mind, do not go into the job invites section. As I said during our info sessions in week 5 or 6, this is just where the software tries to be smart and hook you up with things that you might be interested in. But you'll notice if I click on these 198 unread job invites, it shows me all sorts of jobs that have nothing to do with Centennial College internship. Okay? So ignore that. Ignore the job invites, and instead you will find our postings in the job search function. Okay, you'll see now that you have access to the Hospitality Internship Program community. Just click the search button, and you will see what is available at the local and at the event center. If you click on a posting that you're interested in, you'll be able to see the description and click Apply Now, where you can upload your resume and cover letter. Please make sure that it is in a PDF format. And once it is, then you can submit your application. So I hope this helps. Please share this video with your friends if they're having problems. And if you're still having problems after watching the video, please contact either myself at amckenzie@centennialcollege.ca or Sarika Smith, our WIL coordinator, at Sarika Smith, that's SUREKASMITH @centennialcollege.ca. Hope this helps, and good luck.